Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect real-time data with Oracle, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect real-time data with Oracle, start by ensuring you have the necessary Oracle database and a compatible environment set up. Download and install the Oracle database software if you haven't done so already. Next, verify that your system meets all the hardware and software requirements. Create a new Oracle database using the Database Configuration Assistant or command line interface. Once the database is created, note the connection parameters, including the hostname, port, and service name. Install Oracle SQL Developer, a tool that helps you manage your database and run SQL queries efficiently. Open Oracle SQL Developer and create a new database connection. Enter the connection details such as username and password along with the hostname, port, and service name. Test the connection to ensure it's established successfully. Now, let's set up a real-time data connector. Choose a suitable middleware tool like Oracle Data Integrator or Oracle Golden Gate for data integration. Install the chosen tool according to its official documentation. Configure the middleware tool to connect to your Oracle database by inputting the database connection parameters. Define the source from where you want to pull real-time data. This source might be an API, a web service, or another database. Map the source data to your Oracle database schema to facilitate data transfer. Next, schedule the data extraction process, ensuring it runs continuously or at specified intervals. Monitor the data flow using built-in monitoring tools in your chosen middleware. Check the logs for any errors or issues that may arise during the data transfer process. Once the setup is complete, validate the data in the Oracle database to ensure it matches the source. Perform regular maintenance on your database and connector to optimize performance. With everything configured, you can now leverage real-time data in your Oracle database applications. Continue to refine your process as required to keep your data accurate and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.